Want to avoid long airport lines? In this video, I'll show you how to check in online with Cathay Pacific, fast and easy. Let's get you ready for takeoff the smart way. Let's get started. First, go to the Cathay Pacific website by typing cathaypacific.com in your browser and hitting enter. Make sure you're on the official site for security. Next, scroll down the homepage until you see the check-in button and click it. This takes you to their online check-in portal. Then you'll be given three options. If you already have a Cathay account, choose Sign in to Cathay. This will auto-fill your details from your account. Or if you're not yet a Cathay member, you can continue as a guest by selecting that option. You also have the option to check in by using your booking details. Just click Find a Booking, then enter your last name and booking reference. Finally, just follow the prompts, confirm your information, select your seat, and you're done. And that's how to check in online with Cathay Pacific. Easy, fast, and stress-free. If this helped, hit like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful travel tips. See you next time!